Hello, today I will show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, find the yellow center and surround it with white edges forming a daisy. Then make the edge that has the white and the other color match with its center and then flip it 2 times. After that, you have to place the corners in place between the 2 color centers and the white to the white center. After that, the colors red, green, and orange will be like a small chair. Now look at the yellow side. You'll find an edge with 2 colors without yellow color. Place it to its center color. And find the other center and turn it to the opposite side and follow these moves to place it in place. Repeat to all edges, placing them in their place. When you place all the edges in their right place, you have to form a yellow cross. If you get the edges not above their center, follow these moves to place it. Now follow these moves to put the corners in the right place. Repeat it until they are all in place. Now flip the cube and follow these moves to get it all solved. Congratulations, you solved your cube. Bye.